Do you know that you can earn more than $100 per week thanks to these totally unknown free applications to the general public? In this video, I will introduce you to 6 totally unknown applications that will allow you to earn money instantly on PayPal without any experience and without needing to work. These applications work worldwide, and what's even better, some of them work automatically without any human intervention, and they can even make you money while you sleep. Know that no matter who you are, how old you are, or where you live, you just need to follow this video in full to download the applications and start making money. So if you need to make a source of income without having special skills and obviously without too much effort, this video is specially made for you. So follow the video in full to have all the cards in hand and to maximize your income in no time. Take advantage of it while it lasts. Don't miss the opportunity. Let's get started. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. This will help more people with the informative content of the video and motivate me to produce more content. Application number 1. Money SMS. The first application is called Money SMS, and you can download it at moneysmsapp.com. The particularity of this application is that you don't have to do anything actively. You just have to download it on your smartphone and let it run in the background. SMS will be sent to you through this application from time to time, and you won't even need to read or reply to these messages. You can even delete them as soon as you receive them or leave them in your mailbox without reading them. Even like that, you will earn 2 cents for each SMS received. Now doing a little calculation, if you receive 100 SMS, you will receive 2 euros, and if you receive 1,000 SMS, you will receive 20 euros, and if you receive 5,000 SMS, you will earn 100 euros. And that will only go up because there are several messaging companies that send hundreds of millions of SMS messages worldwide. The reason you get paid is that this application serves as a test for messaging companies that send random messages to ensure the proper functioning of their infrastructure and the speed of sending their message. So you're just helping them, and they'll pay you back. You don't even have to worry about security because it only reads their own test SMS, not your personal messages or private messages. Your personal data is therefore safe. The only catch is that this application only works under the Android system. iPhone users will not be able to download it, but rest assured, I have other applications that work for all users, so keep watching the video to discover them. Application number 2. Slidejoy. The second application is called Slidejoy, and it is available on the Play Store. This application is totally innovative and offers a unique concept. Basically, it will pay you every time you unlock your phone, even if it's just to take a quick look. And as you all know, we look at and unlock our phones more than 100 times a day. So Slidejoy will turn this habit into a constant source of income. So how does it work? Every time you unlock your phone, Slidejoy will display an advertisement on your home screen. You don't have to click on the ad or buy anything. You don't have to do anything except unlock your phone as you usually do, and you will get paid just because you took a quick look at their advertisement for a few seconds. Several advertisers come to Slidejoy to publish their articles, and Slidejoy takes care of displaying them on your phone. It's just a win-win partnership that you're going to make with Slidejoy by benefiting from an innovative idea and an interesting concept. Application number 3. Lifecoin. The third application is called Lifecoin, and unlike the previous two, it is available for both Android and iPhone users. To get it, you simply need to visit the website lifecoin.ai. Lifecoin is an application that pays you for something you already do every day, which is walking. In fact, you will get paid for every step you take during the day. For example, if you take 50 to 40 steps during the day, you will earn 5.24 Lifecoins. It is worth noting that Lifecoin is a cryptocurrency, but don't worry, there are different ways to withdraw your money. You can exchange your cryptocurrency for cash or make purchases through the application with your cryptocurrency. Therefore, you can turn your daily walks into a mining session, and for its proper functioning, It is very important to activate the GPS location of your phone, and don't worry, the application will not try to spy on you. They just need to count all the steps you take throughout the day in order to compensate you accordingly. The more you walk during the day, the more money you will generate through this application. In addition, the generated revenue is really significant, and you don't have to do anything except install the application and let it run in the background of your phone. You can continue with your daily routine, and the application will change your life by earning you a lot of money. Application number 4. Moocash. The fourth application is called Moocash, and it is available for both Android and iPhone users. To get it, you simply need to visit the website getmoocash.com. Moocash is an application that allows you to earn money by doing simple tasks such as watching videos, playing video games, or ordering online from restaurants. There are many opportunities that you can exploit, and the good news is that you don't need to reach a crazy amount of money in your account before you can withdraw it. You can withdraw money from the application as soon as you earn between $2 and $5, depending on your location. Know that the withdrawal process is very easy. You can receive your money via PayPal or bank transfer according to your preference. The user reviews of this application are very good, but you can do your own research to see if you want to adopt it or not. Application number 5. Sweetcoin. The fifth application is called Sweetcoin and is available for both Android and iPhone users. To get it, simply go to the Play Store or the App Store and search for Sweetcoin. This application allows you to earn money by walking. All you have to do is download the app and let it run in the background. Then just go about your normal daily life, and the app will pay you for every step you take during the day. Sweetcoin is a cryptocurrency that you will be paid in, and the most interesting thing is that the app has over 300 partners worldwide. This means you will be able to purchase things directly from its partners with your Sweetcoin, which is the easiest alternative. You won't have to exchange your Sweetcoin for real money, but rather you will be able to make online purchases with Sweetcoin and enjoy many benefits. If you are a fan of sports or go for a run every morning, this app will allow you to monetize your daily workout sessions. Application number 6. Cash Magnet. The sixth and last application we will see in this video is called Cash Magnet and can be downloaded for free from the website cashmagnetapp.com. This application is only available for Android users and is the only one among all those we have seen today that will allow you to earn money without doing anything at all. All you have to do is download the app, register with your email address and password, and let the app run in the background. Cash Magnet will use your phone's processor to perform certain tasks, but it will use only a minimum amount of your phone's battery resources, and you will not feel the effects while using your phone. The app will use only the bare minimum and claims that with this app, in 2 months of use, you will be able to pay for another phone. This may be just advertising, but you will be able to withdraw your money whenever you want using PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or Google Play credits. If you prefer to use your earnings to download paid apps on the Play Store, the choice is yours. One thing is for sure, this is a passive income, so you don't need to complete tasks, watch videos, or fill out forms. You just need to download the app and give it a try. Let me know in the comments how you find it, and if it worked for you or not. Tell me how much you were able to earn with this app. If you want another video in which I give you applications that will allow you to earn money without doing anything, then comment, "I love this video" that you see on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe, and you'll have taken the first big step towards your financial freedom.